I only do this party for you. Only do this party for you, for you, for you. I was hoping you would come through. I was hoping you would come through. It's true, it's true. Only do this party for you. I only do this party for you, for you, for you. I'm about to party on you. Watch me party on you, yeah.
First impression sa Soju. Nabalikan ko. Pero naalala ko kasi nagpadala ako ng email sa inyo nun. Sabi ko mag-reply. The class lang yung nag-reply, so parang a glimpse of what's to come. A glimpse of what's to come. Siguro talagang hindi pala reply. At sa Soju, naalala ko yung favorite moment ko to nung nagsabi si Aiden or si Jess sa dalawa about sa Valorant. Then sinanong ko, ano rank mo?
One, two, three. Julia!
It's true. Only do this party for you.
Wait, sir, Roy? Everyone's a good boy.
Yeah. Party on you, party on you, party on you.
Yung 9 Soju, parang siya yung section ko nung grade 9. I saw my section sa section. Kaya hindi ko siya malilimutan talaga. Mamimiss ko siya dahil it reminds me, it makes me nostalgic yung section.
Kahit na mahirap